Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add members in Telegram group. So let's get right into it. First of all, open up the Telegram app and then you have to hit on that group where you want to add members. Once you open up the inbox, then here you will see add members. Hit on add members. Select members you want to add in your group and then hit on check mark. Once you will hit on that button, here you will see the pop-up over the screen. You have to hit on add. And this person has been added into the group. And that's it guys. How to add members in Telegram group. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.